we're doing? Okay, all right, just consider this.
So sexy.
Let's not do this thing when you get my patients that because I'm gonna have to knock you out, and then you.
Newest member to the family. This bitch is bad.
Goddamn request.
That bitch is bad.